we are back here. In today's video we will see the product pagination, right? I let it open here. I'm not gonna lie, I tried to record this video before that one, but I thought that I was recording, but I was not. So I already know what to do, but yeah, it's be faster this time, so I will show you how you can paginate your results. So no more conversation, let's go. We have the table here, the the store as we left, as we left last class, and the products documentation. The retrieve the first 10 products after a given cursor. What is a cursor? Cursor is basically the end product of your list. So for example, here I'm taking the first 10 products. This after is the last product of these 10 products, okay? So it's called cursor, this string right here. Okay, so you let the code like this. We have the settings page, we have the table component. Okay, so let's start with the query. We need to fix the product query because now we need to pass the after, just like here, you know. So what we can do to get this? Basically, we have the get products. We can products paginated products. Let's call it paginated products. No. Here. And we can say like this, and we can get the after, and do like after is a string as we saw. Paginated products. Okay. Now other. Oh, I think it is a little different. I just remembered this page info was not on your code. I added in the last video that I recorded that is not published. The one that I tried to record but I was not recording. So you can add this information right here. I will show you how you can take this information. So basically, we got the node, and I'm getting the page info information too. So we can get here, like for example, I just added has next page, has, yeah, just like this. But where I can show you this is here, page info. So you have the end, the last node of the list, that has next page, has previous page, and start cursor. So we have this, guys, this is important, and here too. I know it's almost the same, but I like to split, you know. I think it's gonna be better. You will see why. Let's close this guy because we're not gonna use it anymore. We have the loader, and now we are getting the page information, right? We can pass this here, and what we can do is basically can say if I don't have this information, probably the API failed. I will remove this one, and now I should be able to see in my products. I will get the page info, and let's see, products and page info. So now, oops, let's see. Yeah, we have the products and the page info information. And cursor has next page, yes, and the start cursor. Other information, I removed all the console log, right? So I'm just getting the, actually let me remove all of them. You don't need this guy anymore. Yeah, I was trying, as I said before. What the fuck? I didn't. Yeah, I created. It's here the action, but let me do it again. So there's the settings loader. Inside the settings loader now, I will create another guy called settings.action.yes. This guy will receive all, how can I say, all actions that we are getting in our application. So, for example, if I click here, I will receive an action. If I click on the arrow to move between the pages, I will receive an action. So let's create the action file now. Actually, it's the same from loader, but we can remove it from here. We can call it action, and we can call it action function args. And I will use the paginate product passing the after. So how I will get the after? How can I get the after? Let's export. Oh, I'm exporting it here. Okay, I will exclude and do it again. So in the table components, we can basically do this. We can actually need to receive the information from the route, right? We have the page info here, and we can pass this through our table. We are getting error because we didn't add as a props. So adding as a props has next page, has previous page, and cursor and start cursor. Thank you, Copilot. Now we can receive page info here, and we are not getting errors anymore here. What we can do with the page info? Let's go. Has next page. It's gonna be not this. It's gonna be on state. Has next page. I think I will use the has next page, previous page. No. can't use that one, it will be too many variables and I don't want that. Yes, thank you. And now how we can render the pagination in this table? Basically, as you can see here, we have the paginate to control the pages, has previous, has next page, loading, and we have filters. So let's do it. In the S table, we can say paginate. The has next page, we can enhance previous page. Just with that, I will be able to see, yes, it's here, but nothing happens, right? Right. Nothing will happen. Now, what you can do with this information is, actually I need a guy called Fetcher from React Router. And here you can create a handle next page. There's nothing we should do with that. We can call submit. We can pass after the end cursor. This guy is trying to method, let's say post, and it's okay. And how we can activate this? Here, be on next page, handle next page. No, where is the settings action? I receive my action here. I can call a body like this and call my after as this and as like this. Not no bro, or like this. So the after that I'm saying in the table is the end cursor, and this cursor I will be able to get here in my action. Let's see everything working. Let's reload the page, and now we are getting 0 by now, but it will pass. Yeah, my road doesn't have an action because I created the action, but I didn't call the action. So export everything from action. It's not actions, it's just action. And we can pass it in the route, just like this. Now I should be able to see the after. Okay, I can click, and as you can see, I'm seeing the after cursor. Now that I'm seeing the action after cursor, I can remove. I'm returning the page, the products, so we can go back to the table. We can call in use fetcher data, and here can create product list, set product list, and here we can do like, no it's not, oh sorry, we can, okay, set product list, as fetcher data dot products. Now I should be able to see a change here, or maybe not. Actually not, I will not be able to see it because I changed here to product list, but I didn't change it here. So now I can see the products again, and yes, exactly. We can improve this effect, like we can set a loading state. So fetcher state, yeah, exactly like this is loading. So we can set the table to loading like this. So now every time that I pass the page, it will load. Yeah, as you could see, was in a loading state at the beginning, and now, yeah, much better. Much better. Okay, now let's create the previous and previous page. It's the same. On previous page, you can say handle previous page. Okay. Whoa. Oh, yeah, I just handle with the after in my action. It could be as my table, my auto completed, I need the before. You don't need to load anymore. And const before. If before, no. Let's go here. After, I'm pretty sure that I can make it better, but yes. The products, paginate products after, paginate the products before. Featured media? What? No, it's okay. Yeah, it's everything fine now. After and before, and here we can call no if after let's say let products it's working. Now it should work perfectly fine. Next page. Oh, um, data, and here we can see that. Yes, that was the problem. So now it's everything working with the page, and now we can create a little search for the table, but I will let it for another video because it will be too long. It's night. I'm really feeling asleep. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.